EnTalk enables users to register their smartphones to an EnGenius gateway, enabling them to turn their smartphones into an extension of their home phone line. When calls come from a PSTN, a registered smartphone can receive calls via Wi-Fi or a 3G connection. In addition, a smartphone can make PSTN calls as well as using the ports on the gateway. EnTalk Lite enables users to make and receive calls associated with registered family members and friends to save on long distance and international calling. An EnGenius Intelligent Gateway supports up to 10 smartphones registered to an ESR Series Intelligent Gateway to make or receive calls with other EnTalk Lite users anywhere in the world with an internet connection. First, you will need to unplug your cable or DSL modem from its power source. Next, plug one end of the included Ethernet cable into the blue port labeled WAN on the back of your router. Plug the other end of the cable into the Ethernet port of your modem. Now, reconnect the power adapter to your cable or DSL modem and plug it into a wall outlet. Connect the power adapter to your gateway and plug into a wall outlet. Wait 2 minutes. Next, look for the preset Wi-Fi name and password on the back of your router. Open your Wi-Fi settings on your computer or mobile device. Select the correct SSID name from the list and enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Choose the Connect option to connect to the network. Next, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and enter 192.168.0.1 in the browser's URL field. Then, enter the username admin and password admin and click Login. After logging in, follow the steps for the setup wizard for your router to complete the installation process. If you are an advanced user and wish to manually configure the device, click Network Settings at the bottom of the page. Please refer to the user manual for more details. Downloading the app. To set up the EnTalk or EnTalk Lite app through a QR code, you will need to have access to a QR code reader. You can find mini readers for free on Google Play or the Apple Store. To download the EnTalk or EnTalk Lite app, you can scan a QR code from the Cloud Services page on your Gateway GUI via your mobile device or by going directly to the Google Play or Apple Store. Once downloaded, an EnTalk or EnTalk Lite icon will appear. Open EnTalk or EnTalk Lite. Initial setup and registration for both apps will be very similar. For both apps, you will need to select how you would like to register your account to your EnGenius Gateway. Please make sure that you have Wi-Fi on your mobile device turned on before attempting registration. There are 2 ways to register your device: auto registration or manual registration. Let's start with auto registration. Auto registration is the easiest way to set up an EnTalk or EnTalk Lite account. Press auto registration to begin. Enter a display name for your account. Other registered users will be able to see this name when you make or receive calls. Enter the username and password of the gateway or router. The default username is admin. The password is admin. Enter the DDNS or IP address for the device. Press apply to continue. Manual registration. To manually register a gateway router to your EnTalk or EnTalk Lite account, you will need to enter your voice over IP account info. The SIP number is pre-assigned via your administrator on the gateway or router GUI. Please refer to your user manual on how to assign an SIP account. You will now need to enter the SIP number. The SIP number is the number you will be recognized as. You are assigned an SIP via the gateway or router. SIP password. Create a password for your SIP account to log in to EnTalk or EnTalk Lite. Manual registration DDNS domain or IP. Enter the DDNS domain or IP address for the gateway you are trying to connect to. This can be found on the bottom of the device. Port. Enter the port number you are connected to for accessing the gateway. Press Apply to continue. At the bottom of the app, you will see the dashboard. You will be able to navigate, manage, and configure the app through these icons. History displays a log of phone calls made using the app. Contacts displays a list of registered users for both apps, as well as available landlines end users can connect to. Keypad allows you to dial an SIP number or landline number, EnTalk only, to make a call. Chat allows you to IM other EnTalk or EnTalk Lite users. Settings view useful info regarding the app and the EnTalk or EnTalk Lite service, as well as a facts section. On the history page, you will be able to view a log of your call history through the app. You can view your call list either in its entirety or by missed calls. Press the Edit button to delete logged entries. Press Clear to delete all notifications, then Save to return the history page. Press a contact in the list to view details regarding the selected call. In addition, you can make a call to this contact or send a chat message from here. Contacts. On the Contacts page, you will see a list of available contacts. With EnTalk Lite, you will be able to view a list of other registered EnTalk or EnTalk Lite users with whom you can contact. With EnTalk, you will see a list of contacts on your phone, as well as registered EnTalk or EnTalk Lite users. To make a call, simply press a contact to connect. Keypad. On the Keypad page, you'll be able to make calls to registered EnTalk or EnTalk Lite users, as well as landlines. Enter an SIP number and press that phone icon to make a call to that user. If making a landline call, simply dial the number and press the phone icon. Chat. On the chat page, you'll be able to IM a registered user easily without the costs associated with traditional text messages. Press the chat button and choose a contact from the list to start a conversation. Settings. On the settings page, you'll be able to view important info regarding the EnTalk or EnTalk Lite app and their services. About displays the most recent firmware version for the app. SIP account displays the user's SIP number that is linked to the app and a gateway. Settings view networks that the app is connected to and/or are in use. Network shows information regarding stun server information. Knowledge base view important information regarding the app. General view basic information regarding the app. Quick setup guide provides a convenient guide for setting up the app or linking a gateway to the app. FAQ provides a list of common questions and answers you might have regarding the app. EULA displays the end user license agreement for the app and the services that it provides. Please read before using the app. The SIP account page lets you view and manage your SIP info. To erase the account, press Delete this account under Advanced. Network. On the network page, you'll be able to view the STUN server info for the app. Select an STUN server that you would like to rename and enter the new name for the server. For advanced users only. Press OK to apply the changes or cancel to keep the original name. General. The General page displays information about how EnTalk and EnTalk Lite work and the features that are available through the app. FAQ. The FAQ page lists some commonly asked questions you might have about EnTalk or EnTalk Lite. Please refer to the facts section before contacting EnGenius to see if your question can be answered. The End User License Agreement, EULA, displays all the legal info regarding EnTalk or EnTalk Lite. Please read carefully before using the app for the first time and in the event that you have a question regarding EnTalk and EnTalk Lite. You now have EnTalk set up and are familiar with all of its amazing features. You are now ready to start using EnTalk. EnTalk enables users to register their smartphones to an EnGenius gateway, enabling them to turn their smartphones into an extension of their home phone line. When calls come from a PSTN, a registered smartphone can receive calls via Wi-Fi or a 3G connection. In addition, a smartphone can make PSTN calls as well as using the ports on the gateway. EnTalk Lite enables users to make and receive calls associated with registered family members and friends to save on long distance and international calling. An EnGenius Intelligent Gateway supports up to 10 smartphones registered to an ESR Series Intelligent Gateway to make or receive calls with other EnTalk Lite users anywhere in the world with an internet connection.